Hey, Funnel Rebel, that was fast. Welcome to this video. All right, so on the previous video, we talked about custom fonts, right? Remember how to apply custom fonts or use custom fonts? Yeah, custom fonts on your ClickFunnels pages. All right, this time I'm going to show you a different way to do it. Okay, so in the first video, we talked about custom fonts and we need to grab every custom CSS ID of every element that we need to change, right? But this time we'll do something different. We'll do something different. Okay, so we need to just delete all this font. Okay, so it's back to normal. So I'll grab this new code. I'll paste it here in custom CSS. So this time, we'll do the same thing, okay? So font family needs to be Proxima Nova and you need to grab the URL of your font under digital asset and paste it here, URL, right? But I already did that. But this time, we'll do something different, okay? So instead of grabbing every custom CSS ID of your text element, this time we'll set it the general way. So we'll say that your body text will be Proxima Nova regular, this one, Proxima Nova regular. And for your subheadline, it would be Proxima Nova bold. For the bullet, it would be Proxima Nova. The buttons is going to be Proxima Nova bold. Okay? So what's gonna happen is every time all your text will be Proxima Nova. So every time you'll add a text, a headline text, it will automatically be a Proxima Nova text without ever, you know, grabbing the CSS ID, without even changing the CSS ID or whatnot. Every time you add a paragraph, it would be Proxima Nova regular. Every time you add a button, it's going to be Proxima Nova bold. If you add bullet list, automatic, it's going to be Proxima Nova regular, right? So I think the second option is simpler, but that depends dun sa ano nyo, sa paggamit nyo ng font. Okay? But if you want to use the custom fonts for specific elements lang or for specific text lang, the first way to apply custom fonts is much easier. It's much simpler. All right, so yeah, it's up to you. It's up to how you use or if you how you want to apply the custom fonts on your sales page. So yeah, that's option 2 on how you can apply custom. Okay, I hope these videos are helpful. And yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next one and keep building those